We are
Yeah, so a few months ago we decided to go all in business. We dropped out of university, I sold my car and we booked one-way tickets to Thailand. In the beginning in Thailand we were quite productive, but after 2 weeks we got distracted by pretty girls, pretty beaches, good weed and too much party. And so we made a decision that we have to make a clear cut to be completely focused on ourselves and our vision, and we decided to go to Vietnam and quitted our phones for 30 days and worked on YouTube videos because we think that YouTube is the way better channel to be transparent, authentic, and show our process, document our way, and to inspire other people who maybe are in the same situation as we were before coming here. And that's the point why we're making these YouTube videos, to document our path and to inspire you. We made good progress in the last months and we are really satisfied with it, but we have one big problem, and that is our financial situation.
Choose your fighter.
We are dead as broke and need to get some money as soon as possible.
Ja, das passt schon.
Danke für dein Geld. Guck mal, ihr müsst.
Kein Ding, Mann.
We just got an offer from a friend of mine. He offered us that we can optimize his e-commerce shop and we get a percentage cut of the revenue we generate more for him. To solve our problems now, he will send us some money for the rest of the month.
Nach mir richten lassen. Von nur noch Bling Bling und Crystalflaschen. Doch bevor wir so weit sind, sammeln Gerichte Akten. Bullen stürmen die Hotelsuite.
Yes, so 5 a.m. right now, heading to the airport to catch the flight because we've heard that the Bali airport is like a mess, even in the morning.
Hey, good morning in the morning. Oh, whoa, whoa.
Y nada más, al cruzar un manso río, entre preciosos palmares, se oyen los tiernos cantares que salen de tu...
Yeah, I mean this. Crazy, 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 crazy,
Mach ein bisschen näher ran am besten?
Ja, bis.
Yeah, guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.